Ambe, A Past You Can't Escape, written by Avinav Sengar. Chapter 1. Varanasi, or the Kingdom of Kashi. Everything is ready amazingly, beauties. Thus he said, I can't believe we are going to choose the groom today. One of the princes said, I peeped secretly, all of them are handsome. Lion among men, it will be very hard to choose. Another princess said and shied. Well, Amba doesn't even have to choose. Her handsome man is sitting there already waiting for her. Ambika teased her sister. While the daughter of King of Kashi were converted brides, the prince of the most influential kingdom came to their Swayamvara hoping to be chosen by them. But there was no one from Hastinapur so far. My soul trembled with joy seeing all of you. My guest and each one of you is a lion among men. My princess with a beautiful body and powerful mind. King said, I am sure each one of you is worthy for my daughter, but the ancient custom is Swayamvara graciously allow the brides to choose piles. Brahmin have read their prayer and blessed this place. Now let's everyone show his strength, skill and intellectuality to us. And then Princess Amba, Ambika and Ambalika will make their choice. I declare the first applicant. King announced. Wait Maharaj, someone else is coming, Senapati interrupted. A new guest, we didn't wait for anyone else. King was confused. Bhishma Gangeya? This regent of Hastinapur, did he come to marriage too? King inquired. That's impossible, everyone knows he has taken a vow of celibacy many years ago. Anyway, I feel uneasy about him. He is a dangerous man, King expressed his fear. He is famous in scribe, expert in sacred Vedas and ancient sculpture, known for his loyalty and vows. Maybe he wants to read some instruction. They were not happy to see me. It was obvious in those days even the sight of my flags were grisly. I was surprised because I have always tried to be fair even to my enemies. Apparently everyone was frightened with a rumor about my invincibility. I see no other explanation of your visit, King said to me. My greeting to you, just King of Kashi. What instruction would you like to hear? I joined my hand and greeted him. You see, we are holding Swayamvara. Enlighten us what is said in sacred Vedas about the rites of the marriage. With my pleasure, King. So there is 8 forms of marriage. 4 of them are worthy and 4 of them are cowardly. The first 4 are ideal form, supported by Devas, Rishi and Brahmins. They are made by mutual agreement of the parents, by mutual love of the brides and the groom and subject to the dowry agreement, I said. These are wonderful forms, no doubt, King replied. There are other forms of marriage too, my king, I said. The marriage of Gandharva, the heavenly race of musicians, is only made in love and oftenly sacred from parents, but some condemn it, but we can't deny the special romance, can we? There is also a lawless marriage, condemned by everyone, taking her by force, intoxicated sleeping. This practice is common in Pishas, the demon. Let's not even talk about it. Well, there is other form of marriage, and though some classify as demonic, it is also considered as honorable among Kshatriyas, the warrior caste. This bride is kidnapped as a war trophy without parental consent. And that's what I am going to do now. I completed. What? Stop him, King ordered as I stepped down from my chariot. I grabbed all 3 princes and put them in my rath. Run! I ordered my Sarthi. Oh worthy prince, as you can see, according to the Vedas, I am not taking or breaking the law. I am stealing your brides. Those who doesn't agree and want to fight, follow me. I challenge all the kingdom present there. Out of unexpectedness, the prince froze like a statue for some time. And then I heard the roar of indignation at my back. I wondered if they dared. They feared I could feel their fear. I'm listening to you, worthy prince, I said from my chariot. O Bhishma, you stole our bride. Give them back, or we will kill you. We are many and we will attack you together. You cannot resist all of us. You cannot escape. We will catch you. They faced their arrow on me. Escape is not my plan, dear prince. Come on, grooms, I smiled.